So what typically happens during a hearing test? First of all, your clinician will likely have a conversation with you to understand your medical history in relation to your hearing health, as well as any of those situations where you might be starting to notice some hearing loss. From there, they're going to look into your ears to make sure that your ears are clear and the ear canals appear to be healthy. They'll then start with some tests, and those tests are looking to understand the softest sounds that you can hear, as well as how well you can understand speech. And that testing might be done either in quiet or in noise. Depending on the test results, your clinician might also do a pressure test on your ears, and that pressure testing is looking at how well your eardrums are moving. Once all the testing is finished, then the clinician is going to have a conversation with you about the results and what they mean for you. If you might benefit from hearing aids, then they would recommend these to you. Or if something's been picked up as a result of the testing and they feel that you should have a conversation with your doctor about this, then they would also make that recommendation for you.